Nancy Prince, thread painting and thread sketching artist. Learn from the best. Winner of quilting's highest award, Best of Show at the International Quilt Festival. In addition to on-site and Zoom workshops, Nancy now offers on-demand workshops where you to learn her techniques at your own pace in the comfort of your home.
Hi, my name is Nancy Prince, and I would like to introduce you to one of my on-demand workshops, Simple Thread Painting. I have been teaching thread painting for over 20 years, and this workshop is a really great project to begin with if you've never tried thread painting before. To simplify the materials needed, a workshop kit is required, which includes an information-filled booklet that not only contains step-by-step color photos and descriptions, but it also includes pre-printed designs to guide you through each step of the project. So all you have to do is follow the drawn line with needle and thread. The videos of this workshop are organized into workable sections to allow you to proceed at your own speed. As you can see in the video, each step in the machine demo is up close and detailed. Students have a front row seat for each step of the process. To further enhance the video, I narrate throughout the video to give a thorough understanding of the technique being discussed. The skills you will learn in this workshop include how to set up your machine for free motion, how to use a zigzag and straight stitch, which are the only two stitches used in thread painting, how to blend one thread color into another to achieve realism, and how to move the hoop. This workshop will set you up for future projects of your own, or perhaps another workshop with me. This is really a fun and quick workshop, and my students have remarked that my workshops are upbeat, fun, and packed full of information. So I hope you will give one a try.